Hi guys, today's video is going to be on this Snow White tutorial. This is very simple and easy to achieve, but I never done a Disney princess makeup look before, so I'm pretty excited for this one. So let's start out with this foundation. I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face using brush. Next will be the concealer. I'll be using Rimmel Lasting Radiance Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes and chin and blending it in using a damp sponge beauty blender. Then to set the under eyes and around the face, slightly I'm using MAC's Factor X Cream Puff Fresh Powder, and definitely this one is one of my favorite setting powder so far. For the eye makeup, I'm going to be taking this W7 Total Eclipse eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the light brown shade and apply that all over my eyelid. Then I'm taking the dark purple shade and putting that onto the outer crease of my eye. And I'm adding up a shimmer on the inner half of my eyes and on the inner corner as well. Then I'm gonna be using a black liquid eyeliner. This is Rimmel Color Precise Eyeliner. So first, I'm gonna concentrate it very close to the lash line and winging it out. And I'm gonna keep it look straight ahead, and that's always a great tip when you're doing your own liner. Next, I'm going to be using mascara. This is Rimmel Glam Eyes. And I'm really going to be working that into the lashes, but I want to use as little as I can. And to open up the eyes even more, I'm gonna apply white eyeliner pencil to my waterline. For the blush, I'm going to be taking the MAC's Factor X Miracle Touch Creamy Blush. And with this blush, I really want to take it up onto the cheekbones, diffuse it all into the apples of the cheeks. For the lips, I'm using two lipstick. First, I'm going to start with NYX Professional Soft Metallic Lip Cream, then with MAC's Factor X Lipfinity lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye guys!